How to fix the site cannot be reached error in Chrome on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Have you ever encountered that the site cannot be reached error while browsing in Chrome on your Windows PC? If so, then here's a quick and easy fix. Simply you have to go to the Windows search at bottom left corner of the screen and type in Control Panel. Open it and now search for Network and Sharing Center. Click on it. Now you have to select your active internet connection. Open it and a menu box appears where you can easily see your Wi-Fi status. Simply click on Properties at bottom left corner of this menu box. And from this connection uses this following items, you have to choose Internet Protocol version 6 and on check mark this option. After that, click on OK button to save the changes. Once done, you have to try reloading the web page you were trying to access and check if the error is resolved. So that is how we easily fix this site cannot be reached error in Chrome on Windows. That's all. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.